A glow-up does not always come from expensive treatments, salons, or shopping trips. It can be achieved with nothing more than consistency, discipline, and careful use of what is already available around you. A one-week plan may seem short, but with the right daily structure, you can create noticeable improvements in your skin, hair, body, and overall presence. This guide lays out a strict 7-day routine that costs nothing. It is designed to be practical, realistic, and focused on visible results within a week without spending a single dollar. Day 1. The Reset. The first day is about cleansing and preparing yourself for change. Begin with a long shower where you thoroughly wash your body and hair. Use soap and water with intention, scrubbing every part of your skin to remove any buildup. Wash your hair with the shampoo you already have and ensure it is rinsed properly. Trim and file your nails so that they look neat and even, avoiding any rough edges. Once clean, take an ice cube, wrap it in a thin cloth, and massage it gently over your face for 2 to 3 minutes. This will tighten your pores, reduce puffiness, and give your skin an instant fresh look. At night, before sleeping, rub a small amount of petroleum jelly into your lips and any dry patches of your face to begin restoring moisture. Day 2. Skin, brightening, and grooming. On the second day, shift focus to your face and small details that create a polished appearance. Wash your face with cool water in the morning. Make a simple mask using 2 teaspoons of plain yogurt mixed with a pinch of turmeric. Apply it evenly and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing. This will brighten your skin naturally. Pay attention to your eyebrows by brushing them upward with a clean mascara wand or toothbrush. If you apply a trace of petroleum jelly afterward, they will appear neat and defined throughout the day. For your lips, create a scrub using sugar and a drop of oil, rubbing gently before rinsing. Finish with a thin layer of petroleum jelly to keep them soft. Day 3. Shine and smoothness. Hair care takes center stage on the third day. After washing your hair with shampoo, rinse it with rice water prepared by soaking rice in water for half an hour and straining it. This strengthens the strands and leaves them shiny. For your face, prepare a bowl of hot water, lean over it, and cover your head with a towel for 5 minutes to steam your skin. This opens pores and clears impurities. After steaming, splash cold water on your face to tighten the skin again. Before bed, braid your hair loosely so that it remains smooth and manageable in the morning. Day 4. The natural makeup effect. By now, your skin has been cleansed and brightened, so you can enhance your features without using makeup. Massage your face with a thin layer of petroleum jelly for 5 minutes, then wipe off the excess with a damp cloth. This simple massage increases blood circulation and gives your skin a natural glow. To add subtle color, pinch your cheeks gently to stimulate blood flow and create a natural flush. Curl your lashes with the curve of a spoon that has been dipped in warm water and dried. Once curled, apply the lightest coat of petroleum jelly to your lashes, which gives them shine and a lifted look. Day 5. Full body care. The 5th day is devoted to the rest of your body. During your shower, prepare a scrub by mixing sugar with coffee grounds, or just sugar if that is all you have, and a little water. Use this to exfoliate your arms, legs, and neck. It will smooth your skin and remove dullness. For your hands and feet, cut a lemon in half, dip it in sugar, and rub it over your skin. This brightens and softens rough areas. After rinsing, apply petroleum jelly to keep your skin moisturized. For freshness throughout the day, dab a little rose water on your wrists and behind your ears in place of perfume. Day 6. Refinement and preparation. On the 6th day, focus on polish. Braid your hair before bed and open it in the morning for soft, natural waves. In the morning, rinse your face with cold water and pat it dry, then wipe gently with rose water on a cotton pad for extra freshness. During the day, concentrate on posture. Each time you sit, keep your back straight and shoulders pulled slightly back. When walking, maintain a steady pace with your head held up. Posture alone can change how you are perceived and add to the glow you are building. Day 7. Glow Up Day. The final day is about bringing everything together. Wake up early so your face looks well rested. Do a quick ice massage on your face to reduce puffiness and make your skin look tight and awake. Wear your best clean and ironed outfit. Stand tall, move with confidence, and smile naturally when you speak. By this day, the combination of clearer skin, shinier hair, smoother body, and better posture will be noticeable not just to you, but also to those around you. This 7-day glow-up requires no money and no external products beyond what is commonly available at home. It relies on the discipline of daily care and the consistency of small practices that add up quickly. Within a week, your skin appears brighter, your hair feels stronger, your body is smoother, and your overall presence is more polished and confident. True glow-ups are not about sudden transformations, but about paying attention to the details that make you look and feel better. With this plan, you can achieve a visible change in just 1 week at zero cost.